To calculate Credit.com installment loans, you need to understand the key concepts involved in the process. An installment loan is a type of loan that is repaid in equal installments over a fixed period of time. The calculation involves determining the monthly payment amount, the total interest paid, and the total cost of the loan. First, you need to know the loan amount, the interest rate, and the loan term. The loan amount is the amount of money you borrow. The interest rate is the rate at which interest is charged on the loan. And the loan term is the length of time you have to repay the loan. Next, you can use a formula to calculate the monthly payment amount. The formula is M equals P R 1 plus R caret N slash 1 plus R caret N1, where M is the monthly payment, P is the loan amount, R is the monthly interest rate, and N is the number of payments. For example, if you borrow $10,000 at an interest rate of 6% per year for 5 years, the monthly interest rate is 0.005 and the number of payments is 60. Plugging these numbers into the formula, you get M equals 1,000, 0.005, 1 plus 0.005, caret 60, slash, 1 plus 0.005, caret 60 to 1, which equals approximately $193 per month. To calculate the total interest paid, you can multiply the monthly payment amount by the number of payments and subtract the loan amount. In this example, the total interest paid is $193*60,1000, which equals approximately $1,600. To calculate the total cost of the loan, you can add the loan amount and the total interest paid. In this example, the total cost of the loan is $10,000 plus $1,600, which equals $11,600. Best practices for calculating Credit.com installment loans include using a loan calculator to ensure accuracy, considering the impact of interest rates and loan terms on the total cost of the loan, and reviewing the loan agreement carefully before signing. By following these steps and considering these factors, you can make informed decisions about your finances and avoid costly mistakes.